Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and find the last shape that we drew in our pattern? That will tell us what yesterday was, and then we can determine what today is. What did you guess? Did you guess yellow circle? Yellow circle was the last shape we drew in our pattern, and it was Sunday, March 14th, 2021. So this was yesterday, and we are going to move one square over. We always go left to right. So this is the square for today, and we're going to draw our next shape in our patterns in this square so that we know which square to come back to while we're working on our calendar. So what shape do you think comes next in our pattern? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and say our pattern together and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? Green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle. Did you guess yellow circle? Good guessing. Let's put our circle into our square. You can practice on your calendar or on your paper, or if you want, you can just practice in the air with your finger. Those are all great ways to practice. Are you ready? We'll start up at the top and just go round to the bottom and then around back up. And it's okay if your circle isn't perfectly round. It might have some straight lines or some bumps out, or it might be an oval. That's okay. We're just practicing. So the more we practice, the better we will get. So now that we know which square is for today, let's figure out what the name of the day is. Let's go up to the top and count up our days and say the names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for doing that with me. It's much more fun when we do things together. So we'll go back to our square for today, and we'll go up our column to the top, and we'll see that it is Monday. And Monday begins with an M, and M sounds like Can you go Good job. Some words that start with M are milk, money. So Monday begins with a capital M because it's the name of our day. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday. And Monday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Monday. Good job. One more time. Monday. Excellent. Thank you so much for doing that. So now that we know that it's Monday, let's put Monday into our sentence in our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you don't have an agenda. You can practice on a piece of paper, or you can practice by making the letters in the air with your finger. So we will start our sentence with 2 words. Today is, and today starts the capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. T-O-D-A-Y. And then is, I-S. Monday, capital M, because it's the name of our day, O-N-D-A-Y, and then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say our next word, and our next word is the month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Are you ready to say all of their names? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. Thank you for saying those with me. Do you remember which month we are in? It's the 3rd month from the top. Let's count down. 1, 2, 3. And the 3rd month is March. And we have printed March at the top of our calendar so that we can just glance at the calendar and know what month it is. And March also begins with a capital M, just like Monday. So it sounds like M from Monday. Can you do that again? And M, some other words that start with M are marvelous, muffins, yummy. So we have capital M for March, M-A-R-C-H, March. And March has 1 syllable. Will you clap it with me? March. Good job. One more time. March. Excellent. Let's put March into our sentence in our agenda. Today is Monday, comma, and we ran out of room, so I'm going to come down and go back to this side of the page. March, capital M-A-R-C-H. And next we're going to put in the number. What number do you think it is today? I hear some great guesses. Can you see what the number was yesterday? Yesterday was 14. So we say 14 when we're counting, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 14th. Can you say 14th? Good job. So what comes after 14 when we're counting? Oh, let's see if we're correct. We'll go back to the beginning and count up our days and see if our answer is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you guess 15? 15 is the number for today. Let's put it into our calendar. You can practice on your piece of paper or you can do it in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So 15 has 2 digits. It has a 1. So it starts top and go all the way down. So we start here, we go a line back and then down and then in a circle like this. There we go. A 1 and a 5 beside each other make 15. And when we count, we say 15, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 15th. Can you try that one? 15th. Good job. Now let's count backwards. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Thank you for counting backwards with me. That was great. Let's put the number into our agenda. Today is Monday, March 15th. So we'll put a 1 and a 5. 15. And then we're going to put a comma, and that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is also up at the top of the calendar with the month. 2021. 2021. Today is Monday, March 15th, 2021. And then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. We're done our sentence. Will you say the whole sentence with me? Today is Monday, March 15th, 2021. Good job. Thank you for saying that with me. Next, I'm going to print my numbers all the way up to the number 15. I want to practice making my numbers every day so I get really good at them. And you can practice with me on your paper or in the air with your fingers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I forgot my 1. Let's put a 1 there. 15. Sometimes we make mistakes like that, and then we can just fix them, right? Thank you for helping me with this sentence and all of the numbers. Did you look outside today before we got started? What is the weather like where you live? Do you have a partly sunny, partly cloudy day? Not here. What about cloudy? Do you have clouds in your sky today? We don't. What about snowing? Is it snowing where you are? Maybe you have some clouds and the snow is falling. Or is it raining? Maybe your clouds are raining. You can go splash in the puddles. We're actually sunny today, and I forgot to take it off of the calendar board from yesterday. So we are sunny today. I'm excited for all the sun because that means our snow is melting, and pretty soon we can just play on the grass and do all kinds of outdoor activities. So will you help me put sunny into our weather chart? So our first one has clouds with some rain. That's not what we want. Clouds with some snowflakes? Nope, that's not what we want either. What about this one? This one is our sunny. And it looks like we already have some tally marks here. Do you know how many that makes if we count up all of those tally marks? Do you know what this one means? It means 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 tally marks plus 1. 5 plus 1 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. And we are going to add one more tally mark. And you can practice on your paper or you can do it in the air with your finger and just strike down. So are you ready? Good job. So we had 6 and we're adding 1 more. So what's 6 plus 1? Let's count and see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you guess 7? We have 7 tally marks, 7 days of sunny weather. So 5 plus 2 also equals 7, or 6 plus 1 equals 7. There's lots of ways that we can get to 7. Thank you for doing the weather chart with me. Let's draw the sun into our agenda. So I'm just going to make a circle, making lots of circles today. A circle with some rays coming out from it. So next I'm going to draw my activity for today. And I would like you to pick something that you're going to do today, and you can draw a picture of that in your agenda or on your piece of paper. So I'm going to draw myself splashing in the puddles because it's super sunny out again today and our snow is melting and we've got lots of puddles outside. So I'm going to put on some rubber boots and go outside and play. So I'm just going to draw a picture of myself going outside to play. Let's do a green jacket today. Whoops. What color is your jacket? I really like the color green. And I need some pants. Let's put some blue pants on. Maybe some blue splash pants. Splash pants are great things to have when it's raining or when we're going to go play in the puddles, because we don't want our pants to get all wet. And I'm going to put some orange rubber boots today. I don't have orange rubber boots, but it is sometimes fun to pretend. So when we draw pictures, we can make whatever we want. It doesn't have to be exactly what we are like. We can use our imagination to add things. So I'm going to go outside and play in the puddles. I think I need to draw a puddle underneath me. What color should my puddle be? Blue? Sometimes puddles are clear and you can see straight to the ground and see all the rocks and things that are underneath. Sometimes they're muddy and you can't see anything at all. It's all cloudy and muddy. I like to explore the bottom of the puddles. Sometimes there's rocks down there or maybe some coins. So next I'm going to print my name, and I would like you to print your name as well. It's important to practice printing our names every day so we get really good at them. So don't forget to put a capital letter at the beginning of your name. Are you ready? C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. Thank you for helping me with the agenda. If you are making pictures for your agenda, I would love to see them. Ask your grown-up to email them to me, and I would love to see what you've done. So yesterday I was pretty excited, and I got to eat a pie yesterday, and I also got to make a craft. It was Children's Craft Day yesterday, so it was really fun to make crafts, and I made a butterfly craft. You can check out the videos for that if you'd like. Let's see, am I happy today? Are you happy? Are things going your way? Are you dancing and just enjoying the day? That's a great way to feel. What about sad? Are you sad today? It doesn't feel so great to be sad, but it's okay to be sad. All of us have moments when we're sad, and that's good. That means that we care about something. So if you're sad, that's okay, and you can maybe talk to a grown-up about it or a friend about it. What about confused, anxious, maybe nervous? What do you think? Curious? That's also another way to feel. Or are you mad? Are you angry today? Are you disgruntled? Maybe you're grouchy. I get grouchy when I'm tired. I think today I'm pretty excited because I get to go into the puddles. I get to go splash the puddles. So I'm going to put my excited face up. And today my kind thing is I'm going to go knock on my neighbor's door and invite them to come play in the puddles with me. It's very kind to invite people to join you when you're doing things. People like to be included. It feels good to know that you've got a friend and that people enjoy your company. And sometimes it's lonely. So if somebody invites you to do something, then you're not alone anymore and you can have a little bit more fun. So I hope you find something fun and kind to do today, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.